Have you ever heard about the smallest and most peculiar moon of Uranus? Let's talk about Miranda, a tiny yet fascinating celestial body. Nestled among the moons of Uranus, Miranda holds the title of the fifth largest, with a diameter of just about 471 kilometers. Now, don't be fooled by its size. This moon sports a strikingly diverse terrain, a blend of rugged landscapes and smooth plains, making it one of the most intriguing surfaces in our solar system. Indeed, Miranda's peculiarity starts with its surface, but it doesn't end there. So, what makes up this intriguing moon, and where did it come from? Diving into the composition of Miranda, it's primarily a concoction of water, ice, and rock, similar to its fellow moons of Uranus. But don't let its icy exterior fool you. There's more to this celestial body than meets the eye. You see, Miranda didn't just appear out of thin air. It was born out of the chaotic accretion processes that took place during the early stages of the solar system. These processes involved the gradual gathering of cosmic dust and gas into larger and larger clumps, eventually forming the moons we see today. Miranda's composition and origins, while similar to other moons of Uranus, are just the beginning of its interesting features. But how does Miranda move around Uranus? Well, Miranda, much like a ballerina on an invisible stage, pirouettes around Uranus at an average distance of roughly 129,000 kilometers. Its dance is a bit off-kilter though. Unlike its sibling moons, Miranda's orbit is relatively inclined compared to Uranus's equator, giving it a somewhat tilted trajectory. This tilt, this unique celestial choreography, is part of what makes Miranda so fascinating. The peculiarities of Miranda's orbit contribute to its unique characteristics and make it stand out among Uranus's moons. Miranda is more than just a ball of ice and rock orbiting Uranus. It's a moon with a story told through its geology. This intriguing celestial body reveals a tale of violent collisions and tectonic activity, all imprinted on its surface. Its geological features are as varied as they are fascinating. Imagine towering cliffs, known as fault scarps, that dwarf the highest peaks on Earth. Picture vast terraces, carved out by forces we are only starting to understand. These features hint at a complex history of geological upheaval, a story written in stone and ice for us to decipher. The surface of Miranda is like an open book, a record of the processes that have shaped not just this tiny moon, but the larger lunar system of Uranus. The fascinating geology of Miranda offers a window into the history and evolution of Uranus's lunar system. So, why should we care about this small, distant moon? Well, Miranda isn't just another celestial body, it's a treasure trove of scientific intrigue. By studying Miranda, we delve into the history and evolution of Uranus's lunar system. Its unique geological characteristics, with its rugged and smooth terrains, deep fault scarps and terraces, provide clues about the processes that shaped Uranus's moons and the outer solar system. Now, let's talk future missions. While Miranda hasn't yet had the spotlight in a dedicated mission, its scientific significance can't be overstated. Imagine a future where we launch missions that include close flybys, or even landings. Picture the wealth of data we could collect, the mysteries we could unravel about this fascinating moon, and what it can tell us about the birth and evolution of our solar system. In the grand scheme of things, Miranda may be small and distant, but it holds vast potential for scientific discovery. Its unique features and composition make it an intriguing subject for study and exploration. While small in size, Miranda holds vast potential for scientific discovery, making it an exciting target for future space exploration.